Okay, so it's time to leave Koh Yao Yai today, going to the sister island called Koh Yao Yai, and it is just a little bit similar to Koh Yao Yai, I think. It has been a really pleasure to live here, especially this resort called Pyramid. It's really awesome, and the hospitality going on here is just crazy. You can really feel it when you come out from these big destinations like Phuket and Koh Samui and stuff like that, and out to the local community here in Thailand. You can really feel the kindness going on and the real personality of the Thai people. It is just awesome to come out to places like this. I love it so much. Okay, so taxi is here, so let's go to the pier. I don't think they're very used to having guests here. I should take a picture of them. Okay, so we arrived here at the pier and it's time to go to the long-tail boat. And actually Koh Yao Yai is the island you can see just over here, so it's not so far away. Okay, let's go to Koh Yao Yai. Bye bye. Okay, welcome to Koh Yao Yai. Koh Yao Yai. Yay! Very convenient. Our hotel here is just 200 meters away from the pier, so it was very easy to get here. There's a nice basic room, there's a double bed, and what I'm most excited about right here is this little bed boy up here. There's an air condition, yay! It is so awesome to come inside to a room where there is actually an air condition after spending some time in a fan room. Okay, so we rented a scooter, we came out, and now we are waiting for our lunch. First sight here on Koh Yao Yai. It actually looks very nice, very cheap compared to Koh Yao Yai. A pad thai here is actually only, I think it's 50 baht, and at Koh Yao Yai it was like 120 or something like that, so much cheaper. And we just had a look on the map of Koh Yao Yai, and there's just a lot of beaches and a lot of things to do here actually. I think it's an awesome place we came to here, and yeah, we're gonna look at a lot of it today already. We went a motorbike, so after lunch here we are ready to go explore Koh Yao Yai. So we just finished our lunch, not the best one, but it was okay, it was cheap. Now we are finally ready to explore Koh Yao Yai here. Koh Yao Yai, sorry. Okay. So welcome to local town here in Koh Yao Yai. We have absolutely no idea where we are. There was a sign down this road that said mangrove forest, and there was a picture of a canoe sailing on a river, and I guess the river is this one, but there's no one here. We can't do a tour here. We have drove like, I don't know, 30 kilometers down this concrete road. It was fine, and there's absolutely nothing here. There was a few beaches, but all of the beaches were affected by the very low tide. So there was about 200 meters out before the water started. So we couldn't really swim on the beach, so we decided to move on, and now we have come to this place. I don't know what to say. It's my latch. You can't close it because of my latch. Oh. I just flew my drone, and I really love to see something from above. Then you can really see the landscape, and it really just looks like there is just mangrove around here. So we are gonna move a little bit on and see if we can catch some beaches down on the south of the island. Okay, so welcome to the far south here of Koh Yao Yai Island. It's just a small little village, and it is really starting to rain a lot, so we just parked the scooter underneath here, underneath the roof, and then we're gonna stay here until the rain stops, because I have all of my camera equipment with me and it's not waterproof, so we gotta wait. Hent min drone. Hent my drone.
Hello.
Yeah? Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah?
Yeah? it is very, very funny. The local kids here are very interested in the drones. So we just had a quick little chat with them with the best Thai we can, which is basically nothing, but it was nice, and they are very friendly, and they're just looking and watching, and I think it's the first time ever they are seeing the village from above, and yeah, it's just funny. We're having a good time here. I love getting out to these village and really seeing how the locals live, and there was a fisherman who just explained how they catch fish with these cages. It's very interesting to hear all about their cultures and how they live here. And I really just appreciate to hear about how people live out here, because it's so different. It's so nice to hear.
High five.
So we just returned home after our trip here around Koh Yao Yai. Unfortunately, the sun went down behind the clouds today, so we couldn't see anything from here. I really hope that we could have a nice sunset here on Koh Yao Yai. But yeah, the weather is something we can't handle. Okay, so we just came inside this nice little place. Actually, we drove more kilometers down this terrible road, and it was just completely dark, but we reached this place, and it looks nice. A little bit more expensive. Yeah, it's cozy. A little bit more expensive than what we have been used to the last days. Not the last days, but today in general. But it's fine. We will need something good to eat today, and it's nice. There's a crazy thunderstorm going on actually here. It looks very nice. We just have view. Maybe you can't see it, but right here there's just the water and the sea. It starts just after the edge here, so it's just a nice view here. So we got a Penang curry here. Looks awesome. I got mine Thai pet, which means very Thai style spicy. I think I'm gonna die tonight. Even though I ordered Thai spicy, it is not that spicy actually. I don't know why. It's very difficult to get very spicy food here in Thailand. They are known for very spicy food, but I think when there is foreigners coming in and asking for Thai style spicy food, I think they are a bit cautious with giving foreigners spicy food, because they know that their food is too spicy for us. But I like spicy food, and this is Thai style spicy, but it is not really spicy. Very nice little restaurant, this one. Actually, it was very cozy and really cool place to eat, and they had some awesome seafood in here. It is called... what is it called? So once again, I just spent the whole evening editing. It has been raining like crazy, and there's really nothing going on here at night. So if you are that kind of person who just want to party at night and want some nightlife, the Koh Yao Islands is definitely not the right place for you. But it is nice here. It's very nice. I really love it, and it is cool to see something different and getting the real sense of Thailand. It's very nice actually. But as I said before, if you want people around you here at night time, you should go here. It is basically just a ghost town. And I'm just reading through all of the comments from you guys. You guys are so supportive. I can't say it enough. Really, thank you so much for all of your support. Just please keep commenting on my videos. I just love to hear all of the comments that you have to say. And make sure, if you're new to my channel, make sure to click the subscribe button to be notified when the next video is up. And yeah, so long guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.